Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. And here we are looking at this on the daily time frame during market hours on Thursday morning, March 28th. And current price is right around $3.41, being down about a 0.5% so far on the day. And I wanted to go over a pretty key level that we have been testing. And, I do think it is going to be a pretty important one to be paying attention to. But I did want to really just go over this in kind of a concise manner. I did put out a poll, and you guys did request for me to go over this. The last time I did put out a video on Plug, it wasn't too popular. So if you do enjoy this, make sure you like it, comment, helps out the algorithm, gets more views, more likely to do a follow-up. But anyways, yeah, I didn't want to include any Fibonacci levels here, just wanted to do a simple breakdown of this level. And so this white uptrend is based on the low here that was hit on January 18th, as well as the low that was hit on February 26th. So you can draw this on your own chart if you want to keep an eye on it. And so from those two pivot lows, we did get a test and break of it on March 19th as well as 20th, but we did not get any closes below. Then on March 26th, we got a test and break of that level, closing below it, but we did not confirm as we closed higher, actually higher than that previous day's high, which was at a price of $3.41. We closed on the 27th at a price of $3.43. So that kind of negates that breakdown. We did not confirm a breakdown of that line. But now, as we trade on March 28th, Thursday before the long weekend, we are so far looking a little bit red, but not too bad. But what I think is going to be really important keeping an eye on in the future might be a week or more before I do a follow-up video. And on that note, if you do want to follow up, tune in to the Ticker Request Live, which I do Sunday evenings, every Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern. I'd be happy to go over Plug then if you do want a follow-up. But what I would look for is confirmation of this breakdown. And so that would be a close below the close that we got on March 26th. That was at a price of $3.22. If we do see a close lower than that, or definitely a close lower than the low that we hit yesterday, which was $3.20, that could be confirmation of a break of this uptrend, and that price could be going lower. And so as we do test levels in any stock over and over and over, those levels of support become weaker. And given that this level has been tested multiple times and we have been breaking below it, as you can see, it has been getting weaker. It is quite possible that we do break it soon and price could be going lower, perhaps returning to the red line here at $3 a share, that being a psychological whole dollar number. Price might be going back to there, but it might be finding support there, but it also might be finding support at 284. I do have that highlighted from a previous pivot point that did stand out to me and that did act as support here, hitting a low of 283. So 284 was a pretty good bounce level, as that could have been traded for a 50% swing right there. So that's pretty nice. Then we also do have this gap down here at 268 that was nearly filled on January 22nd when we hit a low of $2.70. As the previous day we had a high of $2.68. So there's a 2-cent gap there. We still need to fill that. So from current price, that would be going down about, let's see, 20%, more than 20% to that level. So something to keep in mind. And then even further to the downside, I do have this green line marked at $2.24. Actually, maybe I will zoom out. It goes back pretty far back in time. I think I have to switch over to the weekly time frame. But yeah, that yellow and green line are based on basically pivot highs going back to 2013, so pretty historical levels there. So, maybe they're significant, maybe they are not. But I just wanted to point those out because it is quite possible we could be dropping. Let's see, if we do go down to 224 from current price, that could be a, let's see, 34% drop, so pretty notable there. But as we have not confirmed a break of this uptrend, we need to be looking for that, and that would be 2 consecutive closes below the uptrend, with the second close being lower than the previous low. And so as of right now, the lowest low following the breach that we saw on the 26th, that was a close at 322. So if we see a close below 322 and especially 320, which was yesterday's low, then I think we could be confirming the breakdown of the support and a continuation lower, but we might also get another bounce. However, if you do notice, the highs have been lower highs. The range here is getting tighter, and so that could suggest that we are going to squeeze higher, but if we do get confirmation, that does suggest we could be seeing a breakdown to $3, if not lower. So do brace for that if there is confirmation. And so I just wanted to throw that out there. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys. But those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.